Hello my friend, here you find astrology forecast for Scorpio and for this March 2014, and this March it's Pisces energy, and for Scorpio it's very emotional feeling, nice energy, and it's like joyful because it's very important moment. If we take water sign like Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, now in Pisces stay planet of joyful Neptune, in Cancer stay planet of abundance Jupiter, but in Scorpio stay planet of problems Saturn. And always when Scorpio have some influence of Cancer, of Pisces, it's like some kind of joyful go for Scorpio, and for Scorpio it's like, oh, so nice, so sweet, so hard energy. And it's always, if you Scorpio, and for you will be very useful to connect, to communicate with Cancer or Pisces, because it gives you for your heart much more softness. Because now in 2013, in 2014 you have very hard planet inside your Scorpio energy, and for you like a hard person. And every time when Pisces energy start, you feel a little bit more softly. You will feel much more hard person. You start to be more lovely person. And here in March you feel it. And very important moment that you have some changes in your relationship. Because main planet of your relationship, Venus, planet of love, this planet change sign. Last 4 months, November, December, January, February, Venus was in Capricorn. It means your relationship and your partner was in a very hard situation. It's not about lovely story, it's not about heart, it's about work, it's about little bit depression, it's like relationship with stress. But now, in 7 March, your planet of relationship Venus start to be free. This Venus go in Aquarius. This is sign of freedom. And you feel, oh, you feel in relationship like much more easy way, go. It's problem finish it about relationship. You feel, wow, I feel much more easy about this relationship. It's not about stress, but it's about freedom, it's about soul connection, it's about, oh, and it's love, like love very near with friendship. Friendship and love sometimes together. And here in this March, you will find this soul, heart connection with freedom and with emotional. But it's not so easy to communicate this energy of Aquarius, this freedom and soul love, and energy of Scorpio, because Scorpio say mine, you are mine, I'm not be mine. But Aquarius say you are my friends, you are free, I'm free. Okay, is it love? Yes, is it love, and this is love too. But Scorpio, it's hard love, like this. This is free love. And in the end of March you will need to communicate, to split these two parts. It's not it's not easy, but for you it will be very nice awareness about relationship, how to take this freedom of soul and take this body, this sex, energy of intimacy, and how to take this body sexual energy and take this soul and take this together. It will be very nice work for you in the end of March, and you find this very interesting connection. 28, 29 March, it will be very strong energy feeling. It will be, yeah, it will be something maybe amazing for you, and you will feel this taste of 2 parts. Of course, you will feel, it's not so easy to communicate these 2 levels of your being, soul and body relationship. And another moment about your home, about your house, because you can have few very important moments, 11, 12, 14, 15 March, when you can decide very important decision about your home, for example, or about it can be about children, it can be about your work realization, and yeah, like this I think. And it will be really a very important decision. 11 March and maybe 14 March. It will be very strong week for you. 10 to 16 March. And it will be very many different stuff, but you decide, okay, let's do this. Because last few months you cannot stability about, for example, your home, your house. Okay, let's do this, and always sometimes changing, but after, here in March, you'll start to finish about this. Okay, stop to blah 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 blah, let's do this, and it will be finished. It will be end of all this process of last 2 months. You will say, for example, 11 March, okay, let's create this weave, let's create this stuff. Okay, great, let's do it. And I think that's all, this full story, and I hope you like this video. Please, if you have some ideas, some comments, please write, and like or don't like this video, how you feel it, how you enjoy it. And thank you very much, my friend. I'm Pavel Chudinov from Siberia, and see you again, I hope. Bye.